Yo, excuse me. So, yeah, I got a super secret test build. Don't ask me how I got it. I asked. Oh, thank you. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up and see what we can do. Well, it's gotta first verify it, apparently. Yes, I want to open it. And it opened it in the wrong window, so I need to bring that over. All right, so it looks like, oh, I need to turn off auto downloading. I don't want that. So it looks like a regular version of the stable branch, but it's not. Let's see what it says on the about. Yeah, so 692. So let's see. I got a sample plugin. Let me find it. We'll see what it does. So it looks like it has assembly and IL in one view. I don't know exactly what that means, whether or not they're like in line with each other or what. But let's see what happens. So I'm gonna download this real quick. And I think I need to put that in my plugins. All right, so I got that saved. So let me close this real quick and try it again. And let's see what we get. ASM to IL view. Let's see. What should we open? Oh, I've got this little bomb thing. Let's see what happens with this one. Assembly to low-level IL. Ooh. Look at that. Oops. So I know that there's a couple of things that he hasn't finished in it, which I believe navigating away from the view messes it up. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, okay, I see. You have to stay in the view. There we go, okay. Navigating in the function pane doesn't work yet. That's kind of interesting. This is just a sample plugin, of course. I'm wondering if we can make one ourselves today. I've been seeing this interesting URL thing lately too. I don't know what's going on with that, but I get like a million of them. I think something weird happened there. Oh, yeah, I think I have to do something first to get that to work. Oh, no. It is correctly set up. So let's see. Let's go back and look at that that plugin. Let me bring that up real quick. Gotta go find it again. I need to make one of those little screens that's like hides secret stuff, like all my personal crap. All right. So what are we looking at today? So he creates a flow graph, and then here's the flow graph widget. So let's see. Binary Ninja UI, that must be coming from Python 3, this, okay. So I need to add this to my Python path, I think. I wonder if I can do that from Visual Studio. Let's see. Isn't there like a thing in here to like set extra? Oh, I know, it's in the workspace, I think. Man, now I can't remember how this works. No, that's not it. Damn. I can't remember how to, maybe this will let me. No, you're not gonna let me do it either. All right, command palette. I know it's around here somewhere. Maybe it's workspace settings. Damn it, I don't remember how to get to it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to deal, I guess. Let's copy the path and let's see. Let's see, I think it's, is there a local seller? Yeah. Python. And then it's what, like lib? Nope. It's not bin, is it? Frameworks? Python framework version 3.7. Lib. Nope. Whoops. All right, I cannot remember where the site packages and shit are. Anyone want to help me out with this? I could have sworn it was under lib. Oh. Yeah, Twitch play. Yeah, exactly. All right. God damn it. I gotta go just look this up, I guess. Where the hell is Matt? That's funny. Is the Python site packages? I just want to know where site packages is. God damn it, that didn't help either. I just want to make my Python see that dumb path. All right, let's see if Python path has anything. The problem is not that I'm using Python 3. Okay. What is it? Export Python path? Ugh. Oh no, I'm gonna have to put these in anyways. I shouldn't have put spaces in the dumb name. Comedy of errors today. And I left a space. All right. Yeah, we don't need you. See if that helps. Select interpreter. No, what just happened there? Oh, it wants me to select a workspace. I think this is the one I want. Are you gonna find? See, I also don't know if it'll actually use the .so. Nope. All right. Well, I guess what we're gonna do now. Oh, there's where site packages is. It's not even in the thing. Okay, it did not add. It did not use my Python path. That's weird. No. That? I don't remember copying that, but. Yes, you could probably add IDA as a window in Binary Ninja. I don't know why you would want to do that though. It'd be hideous. Let me see. Really? Okay. Doing it from headless is not easy. There's PySide 2 there. I wonder if it's because I have two Python PySide 2 things. Yeah, there's Qt widgets and stuff there. It probably has to be at the beginning of the path. So let's try that. Aha, there we go. All right, let's see what we have here. Lots of stuff. Let's see if view type. We want view, I think. Yeah, there we go. Disassembly view, filtered view, init UI views, linear view history entry. That's what I want. Let's see. Lock color, function header color, note color, separator color, linear view history entry. Okay. I feel like there should be a line for linear disassembly. Maybe text? Because I want linear disassembly. Because how would you write a linear disassembly plugin? I wonder if that's what the assembly data renderer thing is for. Although I will say it sucks that it's not pure Python. Because it's going to be hard to discover a lot of this stuff. It's going to have to be documented very well. But we'll find some stuff. So let's see. A flow graph widget has an init, a navigate to function. Interesting. So you can actually, oh, that's the disassembly and low-level IL graph one. I wonder what happens with the view thing though. Like, can't you set that? So if we open this and we go here, yeah. So I should be able to do yeah, that works. That's cool. So you can probably Yeah, okay, that's what it is. So I'm guessing that he hasn't integrated into the function and the crossref windows when they navigate, that they can handle the special ones. So let's see. Why don't we... So there's the disassembly text renderer. Where's that again? Where's my Ghidra? It is safely not running right now. So, okay, disassembly text renderer. So this is where it gets the actual text of the function. This one is the IL. So got our nice IL function, which is low level. We construct the basic blocks. Do I have to set the basic block there? And is this only for disassembly view? Maybe it is. So let's see what we can do. Should I make my font bigger? Is that too small for you? Okay, I'll keep it like this because I've got it side by side right now. So I don't want a flow graph. I just want to make a let's do this. Let's see what we can do. I guess I need to binary ninja UI import linear view type. No, linear. Is it linear view widget? Maybe that's what I need to look for. Oh, actually, I'm dumb. I could just do this from in binary ninja. Okay. So flow graph widget is its own thing. Okay, they make a view type, a different view type, which is what then has the view frame. So when it creates it, it creates the view, which is the widget. Okay. So we would need to do a view type. I think it's type. Oh no, it's just linear view. Okay, so it's, oops. So it's a view. Okay, that's good for us, I think. So we'll do that first, and then we're gonna need a view type. And this should be pretty much copy paste, I think. Do I need to pass anything in? Names. We'll just do that. Ugh. Why is it? I guess because it's a C thing. There's no, I have to do camel case instead. You know what? I'm gonna make it big because I want it to be the first thing that pops up. And then we're gonna do yeah, it's not. I'm cringing to have to write camel case. Okay. So then here we'd have init self parent data. The parent is a view frame. Looks like, yeah, okay, when it's created, they set the function. Okay. Is data then? Yes, okay. So data then is a binary view. That's cool. Whoops, darn it, I keep doing that. Sorry. Okay, so this is a binary view. So let's go ahead and annotate that. Which means that this is also a binary view. And then this is a view frame type, which I probably can interesting that it's not complaining anymore. Ah, there it goes. Oh, that's because didn't import that. Okay, cool. Why did you just delete that? That was annoying. All right. Now the problem is what do we go from here? And I think that means that it's time to open Binary Ninja. All right, good. Actually, I don't need to do that. We'll just leave that like that, and I'll use open with options. And no, actually I can't open with options because they don't do the app thing. Hang on, I gotta open that in Finder. Which means I will need to set my settings because I don't want this to work. Got linear sweep turned off. All right. Actually, I wonder what will happen if we open Binary Ninja UI.abi. What do we get? Ooh, linear view wrapper. Is that not exported into the... I don't remember seeing that one. Maybe that's the wrapper for the linear view thing. No, I don't know if this is actually private symbols or not, because this is meant to be like exporting a shit ton of stuff. So these might all be normal things. Now we can test it and see if I have private symbols. No, I don't have private symbols. Because this is the Binary Ninja UI plugin, and it is very empty. In fact, it looks like they've moved most of the stuff out of Binary Ninja UI, the Binary Ninja binary, because they used to export all of the UI stuff here, and it doesn't look like they do anymore. It's all here now. All right, so let's see. I think we want all the linear view wrapper stuff. Oh, I don't want the thunks. Those are annoying to... I wish I could filter that out. So how do I... I wonder if I can implement the events and stuff. That would be cool. All right, let's see. So that takes the, yeah, so this is the constructor. Does it call any functions that I need to care about? No. New view reference. Creates a linear view. Freeze a view. I might not be able to actually inherit from this one, but we're gonna try to. I just want to see, like, is there like a display as like a get line or something. Well, we'd want that. Get current medium level IL function. Let's add that in. So F, what was it called again? Get current medium level IL function. Looks like it doesn't take any parameters. Invalid return. Oops, let me analyze the function first. Invalid return. Okay, so medium level IL function ref. I'm guessing it wants an MLIL function ref. See if there's any other interesting things over here. Python to CPP convertible. Okay, so I'm probably good by just returning a medium level IL function. So let's see. I wonder what happens if I actually started creating one here. And can I get the current view? Is there a view frame? View frame is this thing here, I believe. View frame, get current view. No. Binary view doesn't have one, so then db.current view? No. It's gotta have something. I already did that. No, that's the view. I think I would expect it to be like just current view instead of get, because it's Python. But file context, get current view frame. I think that's what I want. How do I get the file context of something? I bet that's what I need. Oops. Ooh, create binary views. That's cool. Close all open files. Get current view frame. Needs an argument. Okay. None. Requires a file context. Okay. So how do you get a file context? Nothing. Nothing. Okay. What about a file? No. Okay. Let's see if file metadata has something. Nope. Damn. I wonder if I make a file context. Not enough arguments. Really? Slash? What the hell is that? Oh, okay. This will work. File context. Text. bb.file. bb. bb.file.file name. Cool. That didn't work. bb dot available types. Let's see if anything works. Oh, not bb. And that's a crash. Okay. So that is not what you should do. UI context.active context. Cool. Yeah, I do blame PySide for that. So let's, whoops. All right, let's do it again. UI context. I should have remembered that from the last time I was playing with this in the C++ stuff. Nope. Gotta import it first. And I gotta add the word import first. Cool. Content action handler dot widget. Ha, cool. That's fun. Today, Kongonfortor we are looking at a test build of Binary Ninja that has the UI plugins API that I was so kindly provided. And so I'm just kind of like playing around and seeing what I can figure out from it. And maybe actually get something, like actually write a plugin. So that's what the UI context has. All context, ooh. So that gives me 1. So if I do another tab, okay. I guess there's only one context. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So that gives you the windows themselves. So if you have multiple windows open, you can get the context for one of those. So that is really cool. That means, so you can create multiple windows and then like you should be able to do a callback of like if you're navigating in one of them. How do you get the BVs? Oh, well, so we have this, that probably then just has data. Nope. All right, let's see what disassembly view has. Okay, current function. I could get it from get current function, get data, that's it. Yep. Damn it, I can't type today. There you go. So you get to each of the binary views from the widget itself. So let's see. If we come back to, oh wait. So anyways, we were looking at linear view. This is a lot of stuff. Status bar widget. Can you set those? Set viewport. Oh, that's cool. I think you can like change the window. Oh yeah, I guess because it's like just a widget, so you can like change like the window size and whether it's opaque and all sorts of stuff. Window title. Yeah, a lot of this is cute. That's what I was thinking. So what I want though is like line. There's line width. I just want to know like what I need to implement to actually like give it data. Because there's got to be a function for it. wondering what this history entry is. I wonder if that's from like caching stuff or what? Wait, is there a tokens? Nope. Is there a get tokens? There's a get font. Draw frame, but yeah, it doesn't look like it. Okay, we'll stick to doing something with a graph then. You know what? I can do it from there. That's what I'll do. Yeah, that's exactly what I was just thinking. I'm assuming that that Buffer Buster is rusty. Am I correct? Yeah, I thought so. Hi, Rusty. All right, let's see what we can do. We'll blow this away. And we'll do a flow graph widget. Man, I really wish I could get the Visual Studio Code to see the Binary Ninja UI thing. U type. And from here we'll need flow graph. All right, so we'll start with our no, damn it. Autocorrect sucks sometimes. All right, support user annotations for this graph. Let's see what we have. Allows patching, that's cool, but no. So, since it's gonna be linear, let's say no. Instruction highlights, yes, we'll do those. Includes user comments. We can try that, see how it works. Allows patching. Now that's interesting, I didn't even try to do that. Let's see what happens with that. Close this, close that. Oh, mini graph gets really big when you have it down there. Oh, hang on. Wait, why is it not giving me the... Oh, found an issue. Oh, that was the wrong Binary Ninja. I will just turn on my analysis again so that it's not gonna... By the way, remember this is like a super alpha build, so like don't be surprised if it's crashing. All right, let's try that again. So we're here. Oh, okay, let's go to phase 1. Okay, well, oh, there it goes. That was cool. Took a second, but it updated. I wonder why it took so long. What if we never pat? I wonder why it's not. Well, it worked last time. Okay. It's probably, actually, isn't there like a function that populate nodes? Oh, no, update was implemented. All right. Anyways, we're gonna make this false. Shows secondary reg highlighting. That sounds fun. That should be like the SSA form stuff and everything as well, I think. Populate nodes. So we're just gonna copy some of this stuff. And we don't need a renderer for, I need to get that. All right. So we're just gonna make one node. Because we don't need more than that. I guess it needs a basic block. I don't remember if it does or not. So let's just try it without it, see what happens. And then we're gonna do for instruction in IL. I guess we need blocks. Might be important. But we're not going to do that. MBB. So start address. No, I don't need that. Don't need as a block. We just need IL lines, length equals IL renderer, get assembly text. Is it just the, yeah, it's just the instruction index. And I need more space. But I wanted to have chat on the thing. All right. Lines equals the IL lines. Actually, I want to. I'll do it in a little bit first. Go through lines and add addresses to them. So that's this right here. We'll deal with that later. Did I append the node? I don't think I did. Yeah. All right, so we've got our flow graph. So let's make our view. That's going to be a flow graph widget. And we figured out earlier that this is a binary view, and this is the view frame. All right, so just kind of copy some of this stuff again. All right, so find correct function based on most recent use. Oh, interesting. Okay. Block equals. Could just copy paste most of this over, but I like to type it in. Helps me kind of remember a lot of it. Okay, what is show address? Oh, that show address goes directly to it. Okay. Navigate to the correct function. Self.function equals graph equals disassembly. Oh wait. Gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. All right, we got that. Now let's make a view type. So this kind of works a lot like making a binary view, particularly in the C++. You start with a view type. Your view type is kind of like the factory. And from there you create your view. And then your view has like a widget that it inherits from or whatever. Like I could probably make linear view like a abstract scroll area or whatever and just like put my own Qt stuff in if I wanted to. And it's easier to have these like built-in things like flow graph widget that has like all the navigation stuff, because I believe also if you don't inherit from flow graph widget, you need to inherit a couple other things like binary data notification, and I think there's one other thing that it inherits from. I can't remember off the top of my head, but you like in particularly you need like binary data notification and stuff like that for knowing when things change, so you know to update. But yeah, so that's kind of like the flow of it is you create a view type. Your view type is what actually is like registered, and then that creates the view object, and then in this case, also the flow graph widget has a flow graph that it owns. So yeah, so I've got some ideas actually about that I need to play around with. We'll have to, maybe we'll get to that in a second if this works. Oh, I kind of need that. All right, let's do linear, and then we'll just say linear view. All right. I am going to, just because I don't feel like typing a bunch or clicking a bunch, I'm going to make it the default view. I'm assuming 100 is high enough. It might not be. I might have to make it bigger. I can't believe you don't use super. Why wouldn't you use super? You don't need to tell it what class. There's only one class that it inherits from. Now, if I had like a couple of mix-ins or something and I needed to like actually specify which one of the supers I wanted, you're a monster. View frame. All right, return linear view frame and data. It is a little funny that oh god damn it, that the create function takes data and view frame, but the view takes view frame and data. I find that to be humorous. And same here, parent and data. Maybe they should might want to like flip those, just so it's like a little bit easier to just pass straight in. All right, so we got that. View type dot register view type, and we create a medium. Oh no, I want view type here. See, because I use super without anything in it, I could change the class name right there and not have to change the super. It just automatically works. Don't know why you wouldn't do that. All right. Let's see what happens when we do this. Name level IL. Function is empty. Okay, what did I mess up? Flow graph node is not defined. I didn't import flow graph node. All right. Let's try again. Oh, I saw more red. What? Oh, no, it's just that. Yeah, that is an issue right there, so we'll fix that one. And more. Local variable used before assignment. Oh. That should be node.lines. We're gonna get this. It's gonna work eventually. Haha! Look at that. so we've got everything linear. Now I know this looks a little confusing because it has like a return right there. But we don't have any addresses labeled or anything like that. So let's go and do something with that. All right, I think I can actually close this one now. I don't think I need that. I don't need that either. All right. Let's see. So if instruction dot what is going on with Visual Studio today? Right, now let's put this underneath here. Okay, I do actually want to look at this one again. How does he? Ah, 4 line and lines. Okay. Okay, so each line is, I shouldn't get more than 1 line, I think, but I'm just gonna do it like that anyways. Actually, I'll do it here. Move this up to here. IL lines, tokens, insert 0. Actually, I want to do it here. And I want believe I want a disassembly text line. And I need instruction text token as well. And instruction text token type. I want an address display token. Value, I don't need that, and I don't need size. Let's see if I can clean this up a little bit. All right. So we've got that. I'm gonna do for line and IL lines. No, that won't work. Actually, I think it will. Let's see, what's the regular one? It's just a text token, right? Text token. Put a couple spaces there. Actually, this I want. Oops. Yeah, I'll do that. And then I'll do an else here and say line IL lines 0 tokens.insert. I don't know if that's the best way to do that or not, but maybe it is. Okay, so a label for the start of a new basic block. And otherwise, indent. The rest of the lines. Actually, I probably need to check this. Actually, I do need this. I'm assuming that length is the number of lines. I don't want to assume that. That's a bad idea. All right, let's see what happens with that. So far, so good. Aha! So what we can do here is let's see. do that. Man, that's long. Let's didn't seem to make that shorter for me. You're failing me, Black. Doesn't want to make that smaller for me for some reason. All right, so that should give us something where, assuming I typed it right, should give us something where if it's immediately following a, nope, that is failing me completely. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh wait, I want is none, I think. Okay, and that failed as well. So what is happening? Got something for causing it to not respond. Interesting. Oops. All right. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, I want incoming. Oh, right. I don't want target. I want source. I think it's SRC. We'll find out. Oh. Did I open the wrong binary ninja? Yep. Wasn't paying attention. Okay, it is not source. It is source, like that. There we go. Although, I think what we want to do is switch these. Well, no, I don't want to switch them because that's definitely the branch that I want. And that's the else. And then there's the go to 9. So let's see. What if we do I want to see that. And dominators also, of course, have themselves. Oops, that's not what I want. So this one is dominated by this one. And then it's dominated by 0 to 5. It doesn't tell me. Oh, let's see. Maybe this will be more interesting. All right, so this is 4. Oh, it's nice. It actually has like the instruction. I need to make the labels have the correct address. I think that's in the disassembly view or disassembly text line. Yeah, address be instruction.address because it's the first one. So then we've got our branch dependence here. That's false. These two are true. That one's also dependent. And that one is dependent on this one. This one's dependent on the false branch there, but also dependent on the true branch of this one. This one's dependent on 3. Okay, let's see what we can figure out here. Still not using that. Okay, so got our branch dependence here. And I don't want to do blocks in IL anymore. Let me see. Shit, I forgot what I was gonna look up. Let me look back at the code, that'll remind me. Yeah. Basic block. Okay. What if we do isn't there a queue? Where does a queue come from? I just used one of these. Is it just in queue? Semicolon. Where the hell did that semicolon come from? Let's get rid of this. And let's say see if I can remember how to do a name tuple. Fortunately, it tells me. All right, I think that's all I need. I guess I didn't really need to. Actually, I just like. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, let's just call it block. the for E in outgoing edges. Can I trust that? Let me switch to actual. Nope, that doesn't work. Oh, there's a loop there. We'll have to remember that. Let me just go to disassembly. Outgoing edges is true always first. I think it is, given that when you traverse these things, it usually goes through the true branch first. I'm gonna assume that for now. I want the reverse of this, because that's a list, right? Yeah. I want to visit the true branches first, so I need to put onto the queue. Wait, no, that's a stack. No, I want the right. Actually, I want a stack, not a queue, because I want to put stuff on and then pop off. Or do I want a deck? All right, let me think about this for a second. So I've got two false branches, or a true and a false branch. I want to push on the false branch, then I want to push on the true branch. So that's the next thing I visit, and then I pop the true branch off, and then push a false and a true on, so that I keep doing the true first. So yes, I need a stack. So let's not use a queue. I just need a list here. Yeah, I before E except after C, and when sounding like A is a neighbor in way, and you'll always be wrong no matter what you say. I don't know if you get that. It's a old Brian Regan joke. So I want to append, I do want to append reversed. I need to track, I need to track the indent. B dot branch type equals does not equal branch type dot true branch. Else indent +1. All right. This is probably not going to be correct because also I need scene. Let's see what happens with that. It might look terrible. We're still figuring out this algorithm here. I probably messed some stuff up too anyways. Unhashable type. Why is block a medium-mile function? What did I add? What? Oh, it's trying to hash the function, but the function doesn't have a hash type. All right, well, let's fix that real quick. Do we not have a hash at all? Let's see, what can we... We could do something like this for now. Because I'm pretty sure that source function, the function object can be hashed. Yeah, there we go. All right, what else now? Basic block edge does not have a branch type. Is it just type? Almost. This one should have been here though. let's see. So well, I can't actually do indent minus. Interesting. So let's do a log info. All right. So adding 7 and 9, which is what we expect. Adding 5 to 7 with indent 1. Oh, that's right. It's going to say the wrong one there. Let's just do it like this. All right, now let's see. All right. This is a go-to. It should be a let's see how that looks like. Oh, I didn't put rep. So why is okay, so it's an unconditional. All right, so new indent is the same indent if it doesn't equal true branch. Otherwise, it's indent plus 2. Oh, it's because the first instruction doesn't have the indentation. So this needs to... Wait, so how does that work in the first place? How does it get that indentation? I think I just need to do this period. Oh, right, because I'm doing... we'll figure it out. Oh, I see. This should be this. All right. What is it? Strict dominators. Oh no. I want... So if we do... Dominator treat children. So what I'm trying to do right now is see if we can figure out how to get rid of this. Like if I can say get rid of like the go-to right there. Well, no, I need that label still. But I should be able to still get rid of this go-to. And I need to... That's a loop. It doesn't come with a decompiler. I'm writing one right now. This is a So if you're just kind of joining in right now, we're currently playing with a test build that has the UI plugins built in. And so I'm starting to write a medium level IL linear view, which, yes, looks a lot like a decompiler. I think this might be my new long-term project. So yeah, so we need to leave label 9 because this is definitely a loop, and I'm not gonna even try to implement loops right now. I'm gonna have to go back and read that No More Go-Tos paper. But if we take the go-to here, I can say if the target is, the last line is a go-to of the block. Visual Studio Code isn't in my doc for some reason. All right. So if block -1 dot operation is medium level IL operation dot mlil go to, and I need I need to see Dominator tree children. I think if it's in the Dominator tree children and I'm a strict dominator, actually, maybe if I just check if and block in IL log -1 dot dest. No, okay, no, no, I just want block dot outgoing edges 0 target dot strict dominators IL lines dot pop. See what I mess up on it this time. Nothing. Except for the fact that everything is gone now. Why did IL lines pop? Take everything. Unless that was the only thing that was there. Oh. No. If instruction index equals block -1 dot instruction index, and there we go. This is kind of cool. Now I just gotta change this. Let's see what some of the other ones look like. Whew. Oh, I gotta handle jump twos. That doesn't work so well. All right, let's try that. We got 45 minutes, maybe. See if we can. Man, it does not want to clean that up. Okay. Fine, I'll do your job for you, Black. Let's see. How can I do this? So, all right, let's see. What's the assembly look like? Oh. Phase was phase 3? Yeah. Okay, so it's just EAX shifted 2. So it's just case 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I guess since I didn't get a case annotation. Oh, there's the case annotation. Oh, I know. I need to do data flow, unsigned range. So let's do else if this is so dirty looking, but we can clean it up later. Let's see, what did we look like in our... So we look like that. Okay, that's case one. So we want to add a disassembly text line. And this is going to have to make this a little easier to read. Text token, and we want right dot. See, what do we have? An opcode token. And first, let's do our This is the hard part. How do I get the condition out of that? That's what, 11? No, 13. Yeah. Oh, no. Actually, that will work. God damn it, Visual Studio. All right, let's see what that looks like. Got some errors. Invalid syntax. Oh, I left off a comma. Duh. Wait, what? No. The hell? Oh. There you go. All right, once more with feeling. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, thanks for the subscription, lol, oh my god, internets. I appreciate it. For value in il.instruction.dest.possible values. All right, that's going to give me whatever's in the jump table. Oh, that's going to be hard to figure out. Yeah, so what I actually need to do, I guess, is figure out this. Because that's the part with the possible values. So, let's see. Because I bet if I do current MLIL 13.dest.possible values, it gives me a table. Excellent. That is beautiful. So let's see. Oh, sorry about that. I accidentally locked my screen. So what do I need here? V for V in, maybe? Oh. All right, let's see. What is in a possible value set? Mapping. That's probably what we want. Probably dict. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, that gives us the regular instructions. So we're gonna have to do for I in team.des.possible use mapping Another one of those situations where I really... Oh. Is that not a dictionary? Oh, items. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Those labels don't match. Oh, maybe it doesn't, maybe it skips them all. Yeah, that's what it is. Or does it? Ugh. Yeah, no, those are all right. Yeah, I guess. That's weird. The explode bomb ones are getting put on, I guess. Okay. Oops. No, I guess they're interspersed in here. Yeah, because this is 14. Okay. Then what we want to do... Although I don't know what the switch is. Oh, how do I get the... What's the table? Oh, look up table entry. I wonder what that has in it. From values to value. Oh. That's probably just like the yeah. Okay, so that still doesn't tell me what let's see if this works. Might not. Probably doesn't have a compare thing. Oh, what did I mess up? Wait, what am I doing? Variable has no attribute. No, okay, this probably isn't going to work. Yeah. Let's try. Not prefix operands, but operands. Although I think that gets rid of the no. Yeah, so the operands are, this is a, no. I want to see if this even works, if it does. No, okay, I can't check it like that. I was hoping I could be like, where's the EAX? One of these things has a possible value set of this. It was going to be nice if I could just be like, there's the possible value set. That would be very nice to have, by the way, if anybody from Vector 35 is watching currently. To be able to say, like, this mapping comes from this part of the instruction. Okay. So for now, we will just we'll just use the switch like that, and we'll figure it out later. Did I save the function? Yes. This may not actually work, because it is possible that the the destination of the thing doesn't actually have a medium level IL instruction, which is problematic. All right, we're gonna do it like this. Did I call it IL? Yeah. So if we take this and do the basic blocks, if IL bb.start.address, no, that's not going to work. Damn, how do I guarantee that I get the medium level IL? Because there's no current way, as far as I know, to actually do like a... This is why I need get medium level IL at. I'm going to add this to my GitHub issue about the about getting medium level IL instructions, because I can't map these go-tos to medium level IL reliably. I'm just going to do it the way I was thinking earlier for now. But add log error. All right. What are you complaining about? All right, and then we got that. Let's do outlines. Append assembly text line. No. Won't get me with that comma this time. Now let's do a integer token. And then this one will be let's do it just in string of value, and then value is going to be value. Actually, let's just do it like this. I'm going to add the assembly text line. Wait, no? I think I need to do some like yeah, I'm gonna have to do some stuff here, I think. Let me at least get this working. Because I need to visit. I need to actually get the lines for that one right now, as opposed to what I've been doing where I've been just looping over everything, because now I'm starting to move stuff around. So I think I'm gonna actually have to like start building an AST and everything, and actually like reordering things in the way that they need to be ordered, and then visit it. So we might have hit the stopping point for today, especially because it's 5:45, and I can definitely not do this in 15 minutes. Let's see what we've got so far. It didn't work. Let's see. Got some errors. And look at that. Just what I said. All right, so that's going to be an issue. Huh. So the mappings in the jump 2 are for addresses that don't exist in the medium level IL. So the medium level IL has really no way to get me there. So I think I would have to like step through. Which sounds like a terrible idea. I'd have to step through the basic block until I found something that did have medium level IL. And then I'd be able to figure out which basic block I'm supposed to be in. But there's no good way to get a basic block for medium level IL in constant time either. So I'm sitting here like looping through instructions, then looping through basic blocks, and I'm doing that over and over and over again, and that's not very efficient. At least that works pretty nicely. Make that look pretty. Although it's hard to, the scanf doesn't really show up correctly because you can't really I do that. It actually fixed it right. And it fixed my function and added in the stuff that was missing. That's pretty nice. I just gotta finish this, figure out what to do with this switch thing. See if we can at least get the cases to show up. Yeah. So yeah, I got the cases. Now I just got to figure out how to get what goes under those, because there's not, I don't think outgoing edges has that information. All right, where's 13 is, it's what, like 5? Perfect. Nope. I'm terrible at this. E is not 13. I want the one that ends with 14, so I want this one. Now, the one thing is that these are probably in order. But let me see, indirect branch, does it have anything? It's got back edge, not a fall through, and target. What's back edge? Is that? Oh, I bet that's saying whether or not it's a loop. Yeah, so it's... Yeah, so that's a problem. I can get this, but I have no idea how to correlate it to a basic block. So let's say, okay, so we've got the start of it. Oh. So if we do current function, wait, no. uv.get basic block hat. Oh. The hell? Oh, right. So if I do this, and that gets me the basic block, and then I can map that, because this is the address that is in current, right here. So yes, I'm gonna have to like do something like that. Look, Marcus, I am gonna flatten those when I'm good and ready to. All right? You just hold your horses. I got bigger fish to fry right now. You and your flattening, you're obsessed with it. You should probably talk to somebody about that. No, I'm not trying. I'm wasting all of your precious time. Okay, so I think that's what the plan is going to be, is I get the outgoing edges, then I iterate over those, I get the start of that, then I use that to get the instruction, which gives me the address, which then I take the address, I get the basic block at that address, that gives me the actual start of the basic block, which I can then correlate to the mapping. So yeah, and it is 5:56, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. I think that this has been a really fun stream. The UI plugin stuff is pretty cool. I'm gonna hold on to this test build, and we will probably play with it again later. If I stream on Sunday, I can't guarantee I will. But if I do, I will probably be playing with this again. If I don't stream on Sunday, then it'll be next Tuesday, I believe, at 3 p.m. Pacific. Oh man, you just showed up, Stormcorp. It's been a good stream, so you should definitely watch the rerun, or the VOD or whatever it's called. So yeah, so tune in next time. And we'll continue writing a decompiler. Yeah, cool. Thanks, folks. See you next time.